Hello, in this video I want to show you how to check Instagram account login devices on Instagram app. First you need to open the Instagram, then find the profile page, and here just click on the three lines on the top right. Here select the setting and privacy, then find the account center. Click on it. Here scroll down and find the account setting, and here find the password and security. Select it. Here find the where you are logged in. Here we can see our accounts. I have only one account, and then I go to this account, just click on this arrow, and here I can see all account login device here and time, as can we see. And this is all for today. Goodbye.